Brother, let me look at the sign.
I'm holding.
You got a penny? No? You don't have a penny?
You're gonna give me a penny.
Wow, come on. Woo! Hey, look, the bus! The bus!
Whoa, yeah. He's gotta have a penny. He's gotta have a penny.
Woo! Let's go! Oh, God! We're not disturbing the peace, we're bringing the peace! Oh, that was dope! Yeah. That was dope! Yo, get over here, dog! Brother!
Get out of the street!
You're gonna get run over!
Thank you.
Thank you!
Woo. I have a smile.
Can you honk your bike? Come on, the last crowd was happier!
What the fuck? Throw a penny! What did you want? Throw a penny!
Brother, get over here! Hold the sign, stupid! Hey! Oh, let me down! I need you to hurry up now. See? She got down. Be happy, brother!
Dad!
Walk down, brother!
My mom's right there.
Huh?
And the white one is all the
I don't think it's your mom. If it is, probably got my mom told us to jump in the car.
Hey, that's my fucking mom.
Did she see you?
I don't think she saw you.
Where's she going? I don't think that was your mom.
Yes, it was, because on the back of my mom's car it has to be in the R. Because my stepdad's name is Carlos and her name is Rebecca. Dude, I think she'll go to your house.
Wanna go?
Hold on. I don't know. Like, I don't want to ruin the fun. You have a flat.
You got a flat tire, bro.
You get a penny to fix it?
Just call her and be like, Mom, I just saw your car. Are you waiting for me?
Go walk down that way.
Ah!
You hold it, brother. I'm tired. Let's go back to...
Alright. We're gonna do a purple.